So you've never committed a crime before, and now you're facing criminal charges. The one question I'm sure is on your mind is going to be, am I going to jail? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing criminal law for 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about what you're facing on a first offense. So a lot of people will think, "Oh, well, I've never been charged with a crime before. I've never been convicted with a crime before. This should be easy, you know? You get one freebie, right?" Maybe sometimes. It really depends on the situation. So if you're dealing with like a jaywalking ticket or a public intoxication ticket, uh, or maybe just like a light drunken disorderly, something like that, something that's not a big deal, you're probably not even going to face a charge if it's your first time. It might just be, here's a warning, go about your business. You're not going to get that same treatment if your first crime that you committed is first degree murder. Like, go on full on, plan out an entire murder, carry it out, get caught with a weapon, all that. Yeah, you're probably going to be facing some jail and prison time, even though it's your first offense. So it really just depends on, what are you charged with? What's the nature of the crime that you're charged with? What are the facts surrounding it? Are you charged with a first offense assault and battery, but were you actually defending yourself? It really comes down to, what were the circumstances surrounding the crime being committed? Were there any mitigating factors? Is there anything that went down that might justify, you know, picking up the charge, and why? Things like that. Those are the things that the court's going to be looking for. Those are the things that your attorney's going to be looking for, and trying to figure out what can be done to negotiate this out. And honestly, the state's going to be looking for it too, because believe it or not, the state doesn't want to throw you in prison. The state wants to make sure that you're not going to reoffend. So if this is something where the state can be reasonably confident you're not going to reoffend without having to throw the book at you, then yeah, they're not going to throw the book at you. If you have questions about this, or if you are facing your first criminal charge, definitely give me a call. Let's sit down, let's go over the facts of your case, and let's figure out what is going to work best for you. My name's Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.